Hi friends, I'm Yasaswi, student of MEC Pro, MASTERMINDS. I completed my intermediate in March 2023 Intermediate Public Examinations. I'm proud to say that I'm the student of the first batch of MEC Pro, a newly launched program by MASTERMINDS. Many of you might be aware of the general MEC group, but a true commerce aspirant must also be aware of this MEC Pro. Now, I'm here to provide you with the complete details of this newly launched MEC Pro group. Pro, in one way, is professionals. MASTERMINDS launched its MEC Pro in the academic year 2021-22 in Guntur. This group provides complete guidance for those students who want themselves to engross more and more into learning and explore more and more in the field of commerce. MEC Pro offers the students with many advantages and many more innovative programs which help the students to spread their wings in the field of commerce. I scored 479 out of 500 in my intermediate first year. In our first year, we were provided with many innovative programs like soft skills training, group discussions, field trips, educational trips. We were also blessed to be provided with the best faculty giving utmost care and required guidance. Apart from the academics, these skills also help the students for facing the further challenges and shaping their career in a proper way. Apart from the academics, these extracurricular skills also helps the student for facing the further challenges like entrance examinations that help in shaping their career. Also, programs like group discussions enhance the socializing capacity of the student in the society. Further, in my second year, we were provided with many more learning programs. In second year, students are made more to concentrate on their career and further programs and opportunities in the field of commerce after 12th. Here, many more programs like reasoning classes, arithmetic classes, English aptitude classes, career guidance lecture demonstrations, and many other more educational and field trips were conducted. Finally, I scored 960 out of 1000 in my intermediate with the magnificent and exquisite support of MASTERMINDS. The dream destination for all the commerce aspirants is undoubtedly MASTERMINDS MEC Pro. Thank you.